Like, you could push them in really quick and then step back.
Wait a second. Would it help if some sort of way to take this off? Like,
What do you want? Oh, there you go.
taking off that.
Get back, Toby!
Oh my god.
Oh, Toby, that's awesome.